Hi everyone, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, and I'm here at Appliance Factory. You can see we're practicing social distancing. I've got my mask and my rubber gloves on. Just made sure I use some hand sanitizer, and I'm here to talk about freezers and refrigerators. Freezers are a hot buy right now because people need that added capacity so that they can spend less time in the grocery stores, which really is the best way to make sure it's safe, is reducing exposure. If you need a little bit of extra refrigeration space, I think one of these smaller refrigerators is a great way to go. Now, in my home, I don't have a lot of extra space for a full-size refrigerator, but I would definitely use more space if I had it. So I'm considering one of these smaller refrigerators, mainly because I have a little bit of additional freezer space. So things that I can fit quite a bit in there. I'm buying right now. I'm buying ground beef. I'm buying bacon. I'm buying chicken. I love chicken wings, frozen French fries, some convenience food. I can definitely put several days, if not a week's worth of freezer items in here. Yeah, it might be a tight fit, but that's a good way to go. Also, in the smaller refrigerator here, again, it's just a nice way to alleviate overcrowding in your refrigerator. Your refrigerator won't be working as hard, and you have space for things like beverages, condiments, things that you might want to refrigerate aren't star of the show would be great in one of these. They're very affordable as well. You can see that we have some of these on sale here. 179 for one of these smaller models. And we have some things that are out of box, so they're new product with a manufacturer warranty, but they're uncrated. We have hundreds of items here that might fit the bill. So what you're going to do is call Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom, look up your closest location, and ask them if they have these available. I can see that we have plenty in stock. What I like about these two is they have less power draw, and then when you're done using it, you just simply unplug it. You can slide it into a closet or in your garage. It's not taking up that much space. And if you have kids going to college, this makes a great dorm refrigerator as well. So if you need a freezer but you don't see any in stock, this is a great second choice. Hopefully that helps. Make sure you're practicing social distancing by being safe. Reducing trips to the grocery store is one of the best ways to achieve that. Once again, this is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory, and thanks for tuning in.